All right, we're in 7274. This is the Carnival Horizon balcony room. In the bathroom here, you've got your traditional. It's actually a little bit larger than it is on the other Carnival ships, but you do have your shower curtain. Everything else is pretty much the same with your shelves for storage. Got that pretty blue. And then got our towels ready to go. Nice little artwork. Lamps beside the bed. Our bed's pushed together because we want a king size. You do need a card in for the power. And then we have the long closet. Closet shelves that you can move up and down if you need to make some extra room in here. And then in this one, we've got some shelves, and then the safe, and then you've got some drawers down here. And then over here we've got our little refrigerator. And then you've got the stool under here. Blow dryer in the drawer. We've got some shelves here for extra storage. TV above the, or for the bed. Okay, we got the light switch on these lamps, but we do not have USB. We do have some extra storage in the little cabinets beside the bed, but we don't have any USB ports or anything like that here. We do have 2 USB ports over here on the desk area, and then 2 regular plugs there. So you do have them there at the desk area, but not beside the bed. All right, then we've got the way going out to the balcony here with your 2 chairs and your little table that they normally have. We are on the 7th floor, obviously, so we are above the walkway down here on deck 5. And then this is overlooking, we are still in Miami right now, so beautiful shot of Miami and the A1A that drives down through there. And that's our quick little room tour.
Hey guys, we thank you for watching. Be sure to check out one of these videos, and we'll catch you next time as we go cruising through life one port at a time.